Right then, welcome to the NEC. Go to some trade events. Which ones are we going to rob?
Subcon, TCT 360 and Automechanika.
And then we might be going to an awards ceremony after. But we've come incognito for many reasons. We'll see.
Wow, we're like 10 minutes in and we're still not where we need to be.
We're not even there yet. We might just go to this one. Parking and traffic thing. Looks pretty different. You've never been here, have you? It's
Never
all new
been,
to
it's
you.
all new. An NEC Virgin.
We're here. We just go straight in that
Next race car, right?
Yeah, two.
Diesel.
One each, yeah.
Diesel converted. Chinese sweets. See what these are like. Don't even know what flavour it is. Pineapple.
Nice.
Yeah.
Ryan, good to meet you. Ryan, I'm Brad. Ryan, grab a card out there for me, would you, sir?
Oh, you put that out on the little one.
I wanted to see if you're going to go for it or not.
Yeah, I'm not that influenced.
Have a look at it, show it to the camera. Obviously, don't show it to me. It's a terrible trick if I see it. Place it face down there for me. Ryan, what we're going to try and do is get your card to jump from the middle of the pack up in the air, do a triple salto, double somersault. I'm going to catch it. I'm working for Mellor today. Before I do, did you get involved in ordering?
Yeah, we've got interested. Yeah.
Fantastic, good man. Here we go. One card up in the air. Whoa, nearly dropped it. Triple salto. Amazingly, Ryan, you're 8. You're shaking your head now and like going, no. Was it honestly not the 8?
No.
What card was it?
More happy to discuss that.
Are you not? I'll tell you what, hold on to the 8 for me, Ryan. Look at me 2 seconds. Just think of the colour of your card. In fact, I had totally the colour on. It's a red card. They're quite easy to read, you are. If it's a red card, it's a heart or a diamond. You smiled when I said heart. Perfect. It's either an ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king, 10, jack, queen, king, jack of hearts. Was that right?
Yeah.
Have a look what you're holding. That proves exactly it was the jack of hearts, and that's minor magic for you, that is.
Yeah, we're good that.
It works.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
If you want any freebies, if you're using mine, take some freebies. They've got loads.
Shall we have a go?
Go on.
What track are we on?
Let's see, you guys want to go? You want to go?
Yeah, what track are we on?
Silverstone GP.
Gloves as well.
Yeah. Fluffy pedal.
I'd have brought me helmet if I'd have known I would have. That throttle pedal's got a lot of travel. I can't hear it. Oh dear.
Off the range, so.
It is understeering.
Well, you didn't press the brake.
Yeah. I can't hear the engine at all.
Just stop.
Right.
It's gone off again, sound.
It'll cut it right, cut it out.
Forms there. It understands.
It's a bit different to your TT. Like I say, it doesn't cost anything.
It's just like watching him race normally. He's always cutting grass.
Very late.
I'm not good.
No, just carry on and just brake 10, 20 yards earlier than you think and then build up to it.
The brakes seem very good.
When you press them.
Yeah. You have to press them very hard.
Well, it's GT3, that's half the point of the car.
My car's not got any servo assist.
It's definitely more sturdy with those.
Oh no, what you done?
I don't know what happened there.
No, it's just a bit too aggressive with the steering angle. Is that it?
Yeah, I'm not going anymore.
Wow.
What engine's this running on? Like what sort of
Software.
Yeah,
Assetto Corsa.
Right.
PC version of it.
Yeah.
There's like a lot of features at track. There's some bits missing, so like we're going down.
Yeah, so the track model's Assetto Corsa now 2014.
Is it? I'm going to say.
That's why there's
Here's what it is. Well done.
Thank you for letting me have a look. I don't think well done. Where did I go?
It's not even on board.
Set a legal time. So
10 minutes 18.
is your best time.
I've done all right. I'll try harder next time.
Yeah, exactly.
I think you cut grass less in that than you normally do. So
I've come off a few times in the old car.
At least you don't have to clean the grill out on this.
That was cheaper than my crash.
Yeah, exactly.
Cheers for that anyway.
Cheers.
thanks a lot.
What do you having a beer? Or a chat? And we just have a set of them. Yeah. Look at those things.
Thank you. Good beer. Be careful you, Rob. I know what you like after one stubby. Thank you.
Cheers. Talked to a few suppliers, seen a few things. Danny's had a beer, Rob's had a beer, I've had a beer. Seen some interesting stuff. Is it worth coming to these things? I don't know. We'll see. No engine in that one either. Plywood splitter though. So GoPro's broken, so you'll see me in high definition, 4K or whatever. This is another what is this one's called? Manufacturing Engineering Week.
There's a robot.
You don't like robots. Take away real people's job. See what's here. Another one.
I'd like to say this is evidence to get me sacked.
It is. conference number 3. Don't know what TCT 360 2023. A few numbers there, isn't there?
3D printing, basically.
Yeah, 3D printing, that's what Rob said. Hours. That's fast, look at it.
See how thick it is?
Yeah. We're in again. Is this 4th and final one now, Rob?
Yeah.
4th and final. Subcon. So, don't know what we're going to see here. It's here. We'll have a look. Saw it last time.
Is that it then, right? 4 down.
Oh. What? Oh, yeah, my feet are killing. Has
Mine
anybody got
are
a
as well.
pedometer?
Me, we've done nearly 11,000 steps.
Is that all? I thought
We probably have done 11,000 now.
I thought we'd have done more like 20.
It feels like it.
Yeah. Yeah, we did more than that at Frankfurt, but it were a lot bigger. We're running round there.
Almost.
I think it were alright, wasn't it? We've seen some
better than others.
We've got bags of goodies. Some of them are not so goodies.
We've had free beer, free food.
I paid for some water though, and I saw loads of free water. Feel bad.
We haven't done too bad. Yeah. We've got 2 hours to pass now until there's a presentation, so not sure what
Hopefully
we're going to do.
We're going to win.
But yeah, hopefully we're going to win. Fingers crossed, otherwise we're just going to sit there and listen to everyone else winning. Should be fun.
We'll go to the cinema or something. He's not in it. Fucking out.
Not ball bearing them, are they, Rob? Snap on. Rob's nursing.
We are getting changed in car park.
Scrub up alright, right? Oh look, Rob's got his checkered shirt on.
We'll try and find every instance that he's worn that shirt.
Shouldn't be too hard, every picture of Rob's is in that shirt. It's a nice shirt though, Rob.
Some of us have got to make an effort, haven't they?
Yeah. Still wearing my trainers. Not that close.
No, don't get that. We're dressed up, 3 drinks. We've been there. Now we're there. Towards. See what we win. If we win.
If we win, yeah. Still a bit quiet in there, so we'll stick to his free pre-drinks before we go in.
Alright. Because you're lazy.
Coles Automotive of West Sussex. Darkside Developments of Barnsley. And Emerald House of Cars of Wednesbury. And to do the honours of the gold envelope, Richard, the winner is?
The winner is, drum roll, Darkside.
Can I get it?
We can go on now, can't we?
Okay, the nominees for Best Customer Service are A.
Go on then, Rye. Let's have a look what we've got.
A piece of foam. You can't see it. Do we need to put that behind it?
Best Marketing Award. You can see it.
Yes.
So, nice long drive home now, 2 hours.
2 hours, yeah. Nobody's drunk because drinks are very expensive.
We got a few free drinks.
Yeah, so. Thank you very much for everybody that voted, I think.
Yeah.
We didn't know how many people voted, but thank you to everyone.
Enough. Enough to win.
Just enough.
Yeah.
My feet are killing. How many steps have we done?
Probably 16, yeah. Maybe just over.
16,000.
Yeah.
And my feet are hanging.
Yeah. So we'll end it there.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching, thanks for voting.
See you next one.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.